Good morning. Good morning. Vanto here. I'm in Cape Town and I spoke about Vidamaxx. And then I spoke about 5 things that Res Vida in Vidamaxx can do. And today I want to speak about 5 things in Vidamaxx that Fruitflow can do. Now, Fruitflow is a natural aspirin that has got no side effects. If you want a natural aspirin, get the Fruitflow. Stay away from the other aspirins. I guarantee you get the, I'm a witness on that. Now, before I talk about Fruitflow, let's talk about the beauty of a healthy blood flow. When you have a healthy blood flow, 3 areas that it affects in a very positive way. The first area is your health. It is very key to your health, a healthy blood flow. The second thing is fitness. And also the third thing is longevity. Those 3 things, they need a healthy blood flow. Now, when you have a healthy blood flow, what happens is that within your arteries, you've got less plaque and less cholesterol, as well as, the calcium buildup in your arteries and veins. That is the first thing that you have. The second thing, you reduce your risk of heart attack. You reduce also the risk of stroke. And the third thing, you have a younger skin, a thicker hair, and better nails, and you look younger. And also the fourth thing, you've got better memory and cognition, and you reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson. And the fifth thing that you have, with a good blood circulation, you've got an improved sex drive, and you have bigger, stronger, and fuller erections. Now, that is the importance of a healthy blood flow. Now, I want to come back to Vidamaxx. We have what is called the Fruitflow, which is promoting a healthy blood flow. If you take Vidamaxx in an hour's time, you have the arteries, you have them dilated and you have a flow. Now, for people who are working in stressful situations, whether it is a lot of meetings, if you have Vidamaxx, because of the Fruitflow, you are going to experience that dilation of the veins, and then there will be a healthy blood flow. I am a survivor of a heart disease. I'm also a survivor of depression. Now, these 2 things, many people don't want to talk about them, but those 2 things, take Vidamaxx. Take Vidamaxx and you are going to see results. The beautiful thing is that you are going to see them instantly. That was my lesson today about Fruitflow in the Vidamaxx. Have a wonderful day.